In this lesson, I am going to explain the dialogue that we have seen in previous lesson. First of all, I would like to explain the words that I have employed in this lesson. Muhammad, Meem He, Meem Dal, Muhammad. This is a male name. Similarly, Mahmud, Meem He, Meem Waw Dal, Mahmud, Mahmud or Mahmud. Then this is a word for greeting. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. And for reply, we say Wa alaikum assalam. Then we have a sahib. Sahib. This word we use for Mr. Swad alif he be. Then kaise. Kaise mean how. Like how are you? Aap kaise hain? Kaaf, ye, seen, and ye. This is choti ye. This is badi ye. Then theek. Okay. Te, he, choti ye, and kaaf. Then shukriya. Thanks. Sheen, kaaf, re, choti ye, and he. Shukriya. Sheen, pesh, kaaf, shuk. Re, zer, choti ye, ri. Shukri, ye, and he. Ya. Shukriya. Then quite. Bilkul. Be, zer, lam, bil. Because there is no sound for alif. Be, zer, lam, bil. Kaaf, pesh, lam, kul. Bilkul. Aaj kal. Nowadays. Before ajkal, look at these two words, aaj and kal. Aaj is mean today, and kal is used for both tomorrow as well as yesterday. So kal, and when we combine it ajkal, it has the meaning nowadays. Ajkal. Alif mudda a, jim, aaj, then kaaf zabar lam, kal. Then we have a word masrufiyat. Masrufiyat mean engagements. Meem zabar swad, mas, re waw ru, masru, fe zer choti ye, fi, ye and te, yat, masrufiyat, masrufiyat. Koi mean something or anybody. Kaf wa ko, hamza choti ye, e, koi. And then khas. Khas mean special. Khas. Khe alif zabar kha, swat sakin, khas, khas. Then for not we use nahi, noon, he, choti ye, and noon guna, nahi. Then wohi means same as wohi, wohi, wow, he, choti ye, wohi. Then old, purana, and the opposite of old is new, naya. So old, purana, purana, pe, pesh, re, pur, pe, pesh, re, pur, re, zabar alif ra, noon zabar alif na, purana. Then काम, work or job. Kaaf alif zabar ka, meem sakin, काम. काम mean job or work. Then for pen or pencil we use kalam, and for book we use kitab. Kaaf zabar lam kal, lam meem lam, kallam. And kaaf zer te kit, te zabar alif ta, then be sakin, kitab, kitab. Then we have a word for student, talib ilm, ta, toy alif ta, lam zer be lib, talib. An zer lam il, lam mim lam, illam, talib ilm, talib ilm. Bahut, much, very or very much, bahut. Be, he, te, bahut, 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 bahut. But then we have the word bhai. Bhai is a supplementary word, and we normally use when we are talking to someone to give the just to emphasize on the statement or just to grab the attention of someone. Bhai, be zabar he, bh, hamza choti ye he, bhai, bhai. Then we have profession, pesha, pe zer choti ye pe, then sheen he sha, pesha, pesha, profession. Then we have word muqaddas. Muqaddas mean sacred or pious. Muqaddas mean pesh kaf. Muk kaf dal muqad, then dal sin das, muqaddas. Then we have a word from Arabic language. Alhamdulillah, all praises for the God. Alhamdulillah. Alif lam al, he mim ham, dal pesh do, alhamdo. Then lam zed lam lil, lam hilah, lillah, alhamdulillah. Next word is means or medium of something. Zriya, 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 zal zabar zar, re choti ye ri, and then an and he, zriya, zriya. Then we have marizon, meem re mar, then choti ye mari, zad waw nun zon, marizon, marizon. Then please tell me whenever we have word ye in the end of the verb. Sunaye, it means please. You are giving a respect. Please tell me. Sunaye, sunaye. Like baithiye, khaiye, suniye, aiye, jaiye. So these words we will use in the coming lessons. So for the timing, sunaye, sunaye. Please listen. Please tell me. Sunaye. Then we have 27. This is the number. Satais, satais, 27, satais. Seen te alif satais, choti and seen satais. Then we have tarikh. Tarikh mean date. Tarikh, tarikh. Then we have khush khabri. Khush khabri, good news. Khe pesh khu, sheen sakin, khush. Khe zabar be khab, re zer choti ye ri. Khush khabri, khush khabri. Then we have a brother, bhai, bhai. Similarly, there's a word sister, behen. So bhai, be he, be zabar he bha, then he alif ha, ba, bha, bha, then hamza choti ye bhai, bhai. So there's a heavy sound coming from your chest, bhai, bhai. Then we have respect and honor, izzat, and zer, ze is, ze tez, ze zabar tezat, izzat. Izzat mean respect or honor. Then we have a word afzai. Actually, this is a supplementary word and it appears with another word and make it a composite, like izzat afzai, when someone is giving you respect and honor. So this word afzai we use as an add-on, and this shows action which is in progress. So afzai, izzat afzai, alif fe, alif zabar fe af, ze zabar alif za, afza, hamza choti ye e, afzai. Then we have the very popular word we use in Urdu language for okay or for right or for correct. This is theek, theek, theek hai, theek hai. So te zer he thi, then choti ye kaaf, theek, theek, theek. So theek hai or theek hai, theek hai or theek. Then we have another supplementary word, rakhiye. For example, tashrif rakhiye or khayal rakhiye, mean rakhiye mean to do something, and you emphasize that you must do something. For example, khayal rakhiye mean take care of yourself. Tashrif rakhiye mean please sit down. So we use this word rakhiye to enforce of doing something, of the implementation of something. So rakhiye, re zabar kaf rak, kaf ek rak, then choti ye badi ye rakhiye, rakhiye. And then popular word Khuda Hafiz. This word Khuda is used in Persian language in place of Allah. So it's the same meaning, Allah of God. So Khuda Hafiz, goodbye. God will take care of you. Now let's move to the dialogue. The first sentence is Muhammad, me, then he, then again meme, and then dal. This is Muhammad. So Muhammad is one character in this dialogue. Muhammad, Assalamu alaikum. This is greetings, like good morning. So alif, seen, assalam. So assalamu alaikum is the Arabic word, so we write one lam in the beginning. Assalamu alaikum. And lam, ye, kaf, and meme. And if you don't want to use Arabic format, we can simply write Salamu alaikum. Seen, lam, alif, la, meme, Salamu alaikum. Wow. Salamu alaikum. And lam, ye, kaf, meme. Salamu alaikum. So Muhammad, Assalamu alaikum. So we can see here Muhammad, Assalamu alaikum. Mahmood Sahib. Mahmood, meme, and he, then again meme, and then wow. Mahmood, Mahmood. Sahib, Sahib, we use this word for Mr. If it is male, we say Sahib, and if it is female, we say Sahiba. So Sahib, Swat, Alif, then he and Be, Sahib. And for Sahiba, Swat, he, Be, and then again he. Sahiba. Sahiba is Miss, and Sahib is Mr. So Muhammad, Assalamu alaikum, Mahmood Sahib. In second sentence, Mahmood is replying, Wa alaikum assalam. This is the reply of Assalamu alaikum. So when anyone says Assalamu alaikum, so in reply we say Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam. So Mahmood is saying Wa alaikum assalam, Muhammad Sahib. And then he says Aap kaise hain? Aap kaise hain? How are you? Let's see how to write it. So Mahmood is saying Wa alaikum assalam. Wa, wow, and then alaikum. And lam, ye and kaf, alaikum, kum, kum. So here we have pesh. So wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam, Muhammad Sahib, Muhammad Sahib, Saad he and Saad alif he and be. For how are you? You mean up. And whenever we have up, I have already explained in previous lessons, with up we use hain, finish in the nose, hain, he, ye and noon guna mean without dot. Aap kaise kaf, ye, here we have ye and then seen and then padhiye. Aap kaise hain? See it again. Aap, alif madda a, then pe, aap, you, kaise, aap kaf, ये सीन बड़ी है, आप कैसे हैं, ये and नून गुना, आप कैसे हैं, how are you. Now in third sentence, मोहम्मद मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया, और आप कैसे हैं. मैं ठीक हूँ, I am fine, मैं ठीक हूँ. शुक्रिया, thank you. और and आप कैसे हैं, and how are you. I am fine, thank you, and how are you. We'll say मैं ठीक हूँ, मीम, ये and नून गुना. मैं ठीक, te, he, thi, heavy sound, te, he, thi. Then ye and then kaf. And here we have toy, small toy. This is te. So मैं ठीक, ठीक is a frequently used word in Urdu language. ठीक is also used to say okay. If you want to say okay, you can say ठीक. मैं ठीक हूँ, I am fine, I am okay. मैं ठीक हूँ. ठीक is also used in the meaning of correct. ठीक is also used in the meaning of alright. ठीक is also used in the meaning of okay. So मैं ठीक हूँ, I am fine. Okay, then in next sentence we have जी हाँ. जी हाँ mean yes. मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. बिल्कुल, quite. And then in the end, शुक्रिया, thank you. शुक्रिया, thank you. Let me write it. Kaf, sheen, and kaf. Shuk, there is a pesh here. Shukriya, re, and then ye and he. Shukriya, thank you. मैं ठीक हूँ, I am fine, thank you. शुक्रिया. महमूद then replies, जी हाँ, मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. I am quite well, शुक्रिया. Then Muhammad asked, आजकल, the word we use आज for today. So आजकल mean nowadays. आजकल क्या मसरूफियत है? When we say masrufiyat mean your engagement. So आजकल क्या we use for a question mean what? आजकल क्या मसरूफियत है? So what are you doing nowadays? Masrufiyat, let me write it. Meem, then swat, then re, masru, then fe, then ye, and then te. Masrufiyat. I will say it. M-A-S. Masrufiyat, like this. So masrufiyat. And then Mahmood replies, koi khas nahi, nothing special. Khas means special. Koi, and koi means we use this word koi to represent anything, something. So koi khas nahi, nothing special. वही पुराना काम, वही same, वही पुराना काम, पुराना is old, काम work. So कोई खास नहीं, nothing special, same old work. And then 3 words, kalam, pen, kitab, book, and talib ilm, student. So कोई खास नहीं, nothing special, same old work, वही पुराना काम, pen, book, and student, kalam, kitab, or talib ilm. Then in the next sentence, Muhammad, बहुत खूब. This is a phrase we use to appreciate, to encourage. Like, oh, brilliant. भाई आपका पेशा तो बहुत मुकद्दस है. The word bhai is an addition in Urdu sentences when we are addressing to someone and we attach it with the word aap. So, oh, brilliant, बहुत खूब. भाई आपका पेशा तो बहुत मुकद्दस है. Your profession is very sacred. Then in next sentence, Mahmood, Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, this is again from Arabic literature, and Muslims, they use this word whenever someone praise you, then you refer this praise to God and you say Alhamdulillah, all praise are for God. So, अरे भाई ये तो रोजी का जरिया है, आपका पेशा भी तो मुकद्दस है. Like bhai, here in this sentence there is another adds on are, but this is bhai, this is not bhai, this is bhai, this is bhai. Let me write it. Bhai. Bhai. This word we use for anyone you are talking to. And if I'm saying bhai, this is different meaning. Bhai, brother. So when you say are bhai, oh brother, ये तो रोजी का जरिया है. रोजी का जरिया mean the means of breadwinning or means of earning something. So rozi mean to earn something. Zriya means आपका, your, पेशा, profession. भी, this भी is TOO2. आपका पेशा भी तो मुकद्दस है. Your profession is sacred too. मुकद्दस, sacred. आपका पेशा भी तो मुकद्दस है. Then Muhammad replies जी हाँ we use yes. You can also say ji, or you can also use only हाँ, but that doesn't look good. G is okay, but I always recommend we should use जी हाँ. So जी हाँ, इसमें कोई शक नहीं. There is no doubt. शक, doubt. कोई शक नहीं. There is no doubt in this. इसमें in this. इसमें कोई शक नहीं. There is no doubt. के that. मरीजों mean the plural of patients, and you are talking about मरीज mean patient. मरीजों का इलाज mean treatment of patients. दर्जा mean status. दर्जा में कम नहीं, not lesser in status. Again, alhamdulillah, because this is a quality and we refer it to the God. So जी हाँ, इसमें कोई शक नहीं कि मरीजों का इलाज दर्जा में कम नहीं. Oh yes, there is no doubt that treating patient is not lesser in status, alhamdulillah. Then Mahmood continues and say, what's up, anything new? और सुनाइए, कोई नई ताज़ी, anything new. Then Muhammad replies that there is marriage ceremony for his son. This is new news, and this marriage will take place on 27th of this month. So he says, जी हाँ, yes, मेरे बड़े बेटे, my elder son, मेरे बड़े बेटे, my elder son, की शादी है. There is a marriage for my elder son. इस माह की 27 तारीख को. माह mean month. The 27th of this month. My elder son is getting married on 27th of this month. जी हाँ, मेरे बड़े बेटे की शादी है इस माह की 27 तारीख को. And then we say इसी सिलसिला में mean for this reason or that's why. मैं आज बाजार में. Let me explain this. So you can say I am in market. That's why I'm in a market today, or we can say that's why we are in market today. When I'm saying that's why I am in market today, then it means then we will say इसी सिलसिला में आज बाजार में हूँ, not हैं. But if the sense is that we are in market today, so then we'll say और इसी सिलसिला में आज बाजार में हैं. For the खरीदारी की नियत से, for the intention to buy, to intention to purchase. Niyat mean intention. So if you read this English sentence, yes, my elder son is getting married on 27th of this month, and that's why I'm in market today for shopping. So same sense is coming out from this Urdu sentence. जी हाँ, मेरे बड़े बेटे की शादी है इस माह की 27 तारीख को. 27 मीन 27th, तारीख डेट. इस माह की 27 तारीख को और इसी सिलसिला में आज बाजार में हैं खरीदारी की नियत से. देन महमूद, अरे भाई वाह. He is happy to hear that. अरे भाई वाह मोहम्मद साहिब, ये तो बहुत बड़ी खुशखबरी है. This is a great news. So that's a great news. Where is our invitation? हमारा दावतनामा. mean we are asking, Mahmoud is asking that where is the invitation card for us? Then Muhammad replies, Mahmoud साहब, how can we forget you? भला हम आपको कैसे भूल सकते हैं. भूलना, to forget. भला हम आपको कैसे भूल सकते हैं. ये रहा आपका कार्ड. Here is your card. महमूद, शुक्रिया भाई साहब. थैंक यू ब्रदर. आपके बच्चे की शादी में शिरकत हमारे लिए ये बड़े एजाज की बात है. एजाज मीन, एजाज is the honor. Let me write it. This alif, then an, then z, then alif, then एजाज मीन ऑनर. शुक्रिया भाई साहब. थैंक्स ब्रदर. आपके बच्चे की शादी, द मैरिज ऑफ योर सन, में शिरकत. अटेंडिंग द मैरिज ऑफ योर सन. शिरकत मीन टू अटेंड. हमारे लिए, फॉर अस, ये बड़े एजाज, बड़े एजाज, द ग्रेट ऑनर, ये बड़े एजाज की बात है, दिस इज एन ऑनर फॉर अस। देन मोहम्मद, ही रिप्लाइज, आपकी इज्जत अफजाई, इज्जत अफजाई, दिस वर्ड, if someone is giving you honor, so you say that you are giving us honor. So आपकी इज्जत अफजाई mean Mahmood, Muhammad is saying to Mahmood that you are giving him honor. So आपकी इज्जत अफजाई का शुक्रिया. So this honor is from you. Muhammad is saying to Mahmood that this honor is from you. So आपकी इज्जत अफजाई का शुक्रिया. So we can also say thanks for the compliments. So it is the same thing, same meaning. आपकी इज्जत अफजाई का शुक्रिया. So this is Urdu phrase, and whenever someone is giving you honor, so you must say आपकी इज्जत अफजाई का शुक्रिया. अच्छा अब इजाजत, okay, I beg leave. So when you are leaving, so you take the permission. अच्छा अब इजाजत. महमूद, ठीक है mean okay, मोहम्मद साहिब, okay Mr. Muhammad. अपना ख्याल रखिए, this is again a very popular sentence we frequently use in Urdu. Take care of yourself, same meaning as in English, take care of yourself, अपना ख्याल रखिए. Then खुदा हाफिज mean goodbye. Okay Mr. Muhammad, take care of yourself, खुदा हाफिज. ठीक है मोहम्मद साहिब, अपना ख्याल रखिए, खुदा हाफिज. So in this dialogue we try to understand simple discussion between two friends. So that's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.